Welcome to Racer's Greatest Day. We're here at the 4th of 500. Today, it's our biggest racing season. With Lightning McQueen. Wait a minute, there's a package up there. That's the sentiment and perfect race. Let's remove it. Wow, a new racer. And it's Rusty's Lightning McQueen. We have a mini racer here. Let's see what we can do, Daryl. That's right, Bob. Let's do this opening. First, Daryl, this is Rusty's Lightning McQueen. He's ages 3 and up, and he's from Mattel. Back of the package. This is not from ages 0 to 3. This is by Disney Pixar. And there's a character of Lightning McQueen. And let's go in the box him. Daryl. Yes! Yay! Yay! Hi, Daryl. Hi, Daryl and Bob. Let's unbox Rusty's Lightning McQueen. This is the Rusty's Lightning McQueen. So this is the Rusty's Lightning McQueen. It's the Rusty's up here. It's number 19, Octane. Rusty's. Yes, one of this Cars 2 tires. Let's compare it to the Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. Here's the differences. There's a lot of differences. This one is a Cars 1 Rusty's, and this one is a Cars. This is a Cars 3 Rusty's, and this is a Cars 1. This is Cars 1 Flame. This is Cars 2 Flame. I see that huge difference. Now, Daryl, let's unbox a mini racer. Yeah! Now, we have a mini racer, Lightning McQueen. And now, let's box a Mater one. So he's in there. Back is number 11. See that here? Alright guys, let's open up the scissors. Hope I can find the scissors. There they are. Let's unbox the mini racers. It was Ramone. It was a prank. I did that prank. I did that prank, says Ramone. Hey! I thought it was Mater. Well, now it's Ramone. See? Look, guys. Ramone did that prank. Did it. Hey, Mater. I'm Ramone. I did a prank to him. I did him. What the heck? Is that a dream? Yup. That's a review of Rusty's Lightning McQueen from Cars 3 and Mini Racer Ramone. You could call that joke. ya, guys.